Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today let's take a look at this 2005 Chevrolet Corvette from Majorette Metal Collection Series. It comes in this acrylic case display which is awesome, and the MRP is 899 rupees, which is fairly reasonable. So let's open it and see it up front. So here we have it, and it looks good. Oh, nice interior details. A bit of a roll cage or something. So starting from the front, we get acrylic headlights, and this is a large hood vent. I mean, it's quite large. We get the Corvette badge on the front, and overall, it looks good from the front. Corvette branding on the windshield. So the casting has this dual tone racing livery with the yellow and black colors, and has the racing number 69. We get the side view mirrors, and they are sort of hard plastic, not the soft ones like we get in Mini GT. The back looks great with the Corvette tail lights, and we get the logo and the Corvette racing decal. The base is fully metal, painted matte black. The wheels are rubber, but they are not free rolling. It actually makes sense because these acrylic display castings not having free rolling wheels is not a big deal. So that is it, and comment down your thoughts about these new Majorette Metal Collection castings, and subscribe to the channel for more diecast content. I'll see you in the next one.